Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you all how I made this simple and easy Mother's Day edible card. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. First, I fold my wafer paper. I bought this paper on Amazon just in case you all want to know where I got it from. It is a thin paper, so you have to be delicate with it. Everything that I use to make this card are edible. This is just an idea of changing of things for this upcoming Mother's Day. Bear in mind that everything that I use to make this card are edible. This is just an idea for you guys to do to make things more special for Mother's Day. Instead of just getting them a paper card, I am just trying something new. I'm not an expert. This is my first time making edible cards. Someone suggested to me and I decided to try it out. I did already went ahead and prepared all that I think I would use to make this edible card. So I posted a video on how I made a chocolate on my other channel at Wallace Kitchen. I will post a link in the description box. Also, I will be posting a video on how I made the fondant that I used on my kitchen channel on Tuesday. So look out for that link as well. After folding the paper, I tried to make a bouquet. The fondant was a bit too thin, so that's the reason the stripes looks like this. Then I added the chocolate and some leaf to fill into the open spaces. Then I added some arts to bring out the look. Right here, I tried to add butterflies to it, but it wasn't working out, so I went ahead without them. So guys, you can just be creative and add anything that you want to give to your mother on Mother's Day on the card. So you don't have to use these that I use. Just be creative and make it yours. This is the edible glue that I use. Again, I got it from Amazon. It's a bit liquefied, so I did have to be delicate with it. I use it to add on the pearls so that they stick to the card. Then I added my writings. I add Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I'm not a big fan of writing on cards, so don't mind my writing. Normally what I do for my paper cards, I would print out the writings from my printer, but I don't have a printer to do this type of printing. I use a black ink edible marker from Walmart. Then I added some pearls to my card. So guys, this is what my edible card turned out to be. If you all want to see more video with edible cards, leave a comment down below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.